Jaxson Maximus tailor shop, and so today I'm going to show you how to properly press a wool dress trouser or suit trouser. Even if it's cotton, it's all, the same method is going to be able to apply. We do have professional equipment, as I said in the other videos. However, I'm not going to use that because chances are when you're traveling, you're going to have an ironing board that you get at the hotel and a hand-set iron. Okay. So one thing is, it doesn't matter what you spent on your suit, whether it's a few $100s or a few $1,000s. Steam is not going to hurt wool. Steam is your friend. It's absolutely not going to hurt it at all. So you could use a hand iron to press a suit properly as well. Come on up a little bit closer, and I'll show you the method for properly pressing a wool suit. First thing is unbutton all the buttons and any of the fasteners that you have as well. Okay. Second is we're going to press first the back of the pant along the seam. Okay, so that's the first thing you're going to press. You want to find that back seam. Here it is right here, just like this. And a lot of times through travel, whatever, sometimes you might get wrinkles here, but you notice just that little spot, like this is the bottom of the crotch point, and then here, I'm going to lay my hand flat, and we're going to apply a little bit of steam, and just hit that with the iron. Whether it's a jean or wool dress pant like what you see here, you're just going to get that out. Second, is we're going to shape the pant. Now, these are pocket bags, okay? So what I like to do is just move the pocket bag out of the way so it doesn't have a crease that looks like the pocket bag in the pant itself. We're just moving this. Now, sometimes, too, as a tip, I don't, if not necessary, I don't need to hard press the iron down on the wool pant. I might glide just above it and apply steam only, and that will get rid of it, right? Sometimes I do, like here's a wrinkle. When I get rid of that, I'll apply my iron. So it's just knowing, sometimes I glide it just slightly, sometimes I'll press a little bit harder, sometimes I don't press it all and just release steam. Whatever it does that's effective to get the wrinkle out that you're looking at, that's completely fine, okay? So that's the back right, or left panel, excuse me. Here's the back right panel. And so again, I'm gonna take that pocket bag, just move it up here slightly, get it nice and flat, press the back, move the pocket bag back down, and then get this top part like where the waistband is. I'll wiggle a little bit here, that's what I'm trying to get out for the waistband, even though my belt's gonna hide it, of course. And you're going to go all the way in. Now this is the side panel, so we're just moving around to the front of the pant, okay? So this seam here it's between the back and the front pocket, so I'm just kind of stretching this a little bit, and I watch with my iron. I'm going to go just like this, up and down the seam. And that will get release basically any of the wrinkles that are in there. And then I'm going to move to the front panel. Now, the front of the pant is going to have a crease, and that's okay. The front of the pant, if it's a flat front or a pleated pant, it's going to be released right here. And so you want to get it just about like this, and then it's okay right here to get that crease out, but you want to kind of press around the crease here to get any of the wrinkles out. And the same thing with the pockets. Waistband, sometimes I'm just applying steam and so on, just like that. And then we're going to do the next front panel. So this is along the fly of the trouser itself. See, I have the fly laid nice and flat. So this I am going to apply my iron too. Get rid of any of those. Here's along the side seam. And then we'll be done with the top half of the pant or jean or cotton pant, whatever it is that you're pressing here. I'll show you that in a second. So wiggling, going up and down between the back pocket and the front pocket to get any of those wrinkles out. All right. Next, so we have the front top of the pant all the way done around. So second is I'm going to fold the inside of the fly like this. So I have the side version of the pant, okay? And then we're going to press each leg. And so for the leg, I start at the bottom here. And I'm going to literally start with the bottom of the pant and then go all the way up. Just like this. And you'll notice that when it's folded, this is where the crease of the pant is, and that's completely fine to have a crease in a wool pant or a cotton pant. Probably not in jeans. Jeans, you're not going to have a crease in. And you're going to do that on the left and the right side. For the video, I'm only going to do this one side here, just so we keep the length of the video as short as possible. But from there, that is how to properly press a wool trouser or jean or cotton trouser with a hand iron and just a regular ironing board.